How to add call to action on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add call to action on TikTok. So let's get started. First, we will create a TikTok and then I'll show you. So just click on this plus button. It will open up my TikTok camera. So we can record a video maybe, or we can also take a photo now. So I'll just record a video. All right. So we have a video now and you have to just click on done. Here we can edit our video, so we will add a text which is going to be a call to action. So first of all, what I will do is I will go to stickers. In stickers, I'm going to search for arrow because these look pretty good when it comes to call to action. So we can go with this one, or okay, let's go with the red one. So it has been selected, and now we can actually adjust the size a little bit, and you will place it where your profile is going to be. You can see this is where my profile will be when someone will be checking out my TikTok. So you can see right here, I can make it a little bit more smaller, I guess. So there it is. And I'm going to place it right here where it's going to be my profile. So we have the arrow now. I'll go to text and we can add any kind of text. I will add tap to follow. All right. So we have this, and now we can make it more professional like this. And we can also add a background if we want to. All right, let's do this. So I'm gonna make it a little smaller again. So this is going to be my call to action on my TikTok video, and this is how you can also do it. Click on next and you can post this TikTok and you will have a call to action on your video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.